Somebody get her. Somebody do something with her. Ooh, yeah. So this is today's set.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
So I'm at the shop today. I went to go take my phone to this place on Harwin. That's where I'm at. On Harwin, that's where my shop is at. Right here, next to this building right here. We in this office building. But yeah, I went to go take my phone back to the cellular port because my phone was doing some creepy stuff. Like after I got it fixed, it had a whole bunch of problems that I didn't have when I took it there to get fixed. Like my screen jumping and stuff, and things are moving on their own and stuff like that. Carry her bags. Y'all, she got me carrying her stuff. I'm the director and assistant today. I'm her assistant. Yeah, you need your fur. Don't forget your fur now. Don't forget your fur. I always need the fur.
Don't forget the silver necklace.
Girl, I hope that gold. It's on you. Where the gold necklace at?
No, I think you put it in there.
I did put it in there. It better be in this bag. I don't know. Ah! Almost fell.
Just breaking stuff.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. If it's not, then oh well. We'll take one of the same one. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Huh? I can send you the pictures I take on my phone. So I can send you the pictures that I take on my phone. You want me to do that? Okay, I'll send it tonight. No.
Immediately.
You see how she be having a rush order. Rush me, I gotta give her the pictures early. I gotta carry out her bags.
I'm a model. Okay? Model. You want bougie, I'm gonna give you bougie.
This girl said,
Where's my glass of murder?
Somebody get her. Somebody do something with her. I hope the office is closed. Oh, dang. Alright. Ooh, yeah. So this is today's set. Look at it. They got this other part blocked off though. I wish we could have went over here. Yeah, that's gonna look real cute. Or stand by the kitchen. Girl, it's a counter over here too with them little art stuff. Yeah. Even this shelf right here. All this is good. All this is great. All this is great. I can do a lot with this.
I'm gonna be straight like this.
We're gonna set up the camera. We're gonna get to work.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside.
must have went around the front. They must have went around the front to get in there. Cause how they get in there? Cause we could have went in there to take pictures the whole time. I didn't know it would be open, but I guess if you have this, it's always open. So we get ready to head back. We just did a shoot. As you can see, she's changed. Okay, she on the black one. Okay, yes. Check it out. Yes. So yeah, we got a lot of good shots. A lot of good shots. And it looked real nice in there. Oh no, I was talking to my camera.
What?
Yeah, you heard me. Why you been slacking? When the last time you worked out? The last time you worked out was a while ago. Cause you were the one had me start this. Talking about, oh, let's work out. Come with me.
Okay.
Come with me. Work out. Oh, let's work out.
One day next week.
And how often you be going to him?
I was going to that group. At one point, I was going through.
What's the car? That video we did good though. You watched the video, it looked like we was working out. We don't need no trainer.
Oh Lord. What? He dying.
I don't want to watch that.
Jay. Plug your stuff up.
Alright.
Plug it up and send me. I need my photos right now. And I mean, I'm really cute too. See,